She said she really about that life, party every night. You ain't about that life, no. You ain't about that life, yo. You ain't about that life, nah. I said we be about that life, yo. We be about that life, yo. We be about that life, She said she really about that life, party every night.
Hey my loves, as you can see, what I am doing here is tracing the outside of a pair of kids tights. I went ahead and pinned in the inside seam so that it looks like a pencil skirt, and I'm just tracing the outsides. Here's a close-up view on how I'm tracing it, and I'm making sure that I'm tracing a little more out from the tights and not too close so that I can use those extra pieces to sew. After I traced the tights, I went ahead and added some pins to the sides so that I can hold the fabric together so that it's easier to cut. Just make sure that your fabric is still inside out, meaning that both pattern sides are touching each other, and then just sew around the corner and sides. Sewing everything, just go ahead and cut off all the extra fabric. Now it's time to sew the waistband on. wasn't able to show you guys when I cut my tulle or turned the fabric inside out. But I went ahead and cut me a few pieces of tulle in all three colors, the dark green, lime green, and silver. And now I'm going ahead and sewing that onto the bottom of the skirt. Close-up view on the technique that I used when putting the tulle onto the bottom of the skirt so that the thread is not visible in the front. If you would like a more detailed video on how I did this technique, just go ahead and leave a comment down below. Tulle, I went ahead and cut off all the extra pieces to make it short in the front, long in the back, so that she can have a train on her mermaid skirt. Now that I'm done with the skirt, it's time to get started on the shirt. So I grabbed an old play shirt and I went ahead and folded in the outsides of the shirt so it looks like a tube top. And then I went ahead and traced the outsides just like I traced the skirt. Now that I got the shirt traced and cut out, I went ahead and added some pins to the outside so that I can hold the fabric together so that I can properly sew. It's time to add some accessories to the front. I have some designed by Missy, and I'm just going to go ahead and sew those right onto the front of the top.